This is a 2009 Chevrolet Impala. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a 6-speaker audio system, wood trim on the inside of the doors, 4-wheel independent suspension, privacy glass, a traction control system, cruise control, and this vehicle has fewer than 57,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Koons Ford of Annapolis is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that your experience selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2540 Riva Road in Annapolis.